Welcome guys to the beautiful wetland of Putrajaya, a man-made wonder designed not just for aesthetic beauty but for a much deeper purpose, conservation. Today, we'll explore how this wetland plays a crucial role in its in situ conservation and why it is vital for preserving biodiversity. Spanning over 200 acres, Putrajaya wetland is one of the largest man-made freshwater wetlands in the tropics. But what makes it special? It isn't about just the size. It's the way it conserves biodiversity right here in its natural habitat. This is the essence of in situ conservation.
Putrajaya wetlands serve as a prime example of in situ conservation in action, as it provides a rich habitat for a diverse plant and animal species, supporting biodiversity while playing a crucial role in water filtration and climate regulation. This not only preserves the delicate balance of ecosystem but also the safeguard of the ecosystem, but also by keeping them in their natural setting, we ensure that they can adapt and thrive to their species and other ecosystems. Additionally, the wetland fosters community and engagement, promoting education and awareness that connects people nature and encourage conservation efforts.
In this wetland Putrajaya, there are also several types of species of flora and fauna. Want to know more? Let me show you. As you can see in here, we have the white swan. It is actually one of the common swans that are in Malaysia. So, if you want to know, fun fact: white swan knows and remember who are kind to them. For example, if we give a lot of food to them, they will remember us. Other than white swan, we also have black swan. You see in there is a black swan. And fun fact, black swan can only swim with only one leg. Let me show you a close up of this.
We are here at Putrajaya wetland and there's multiple of species right here. So there's 3 species. First of all is a red shoulder, Canadian goose and Egyptian goose.
Other than swan, in wetland Putrajaya, we also have pelican. As you can see, all of the pelicans are swimming there. Fun fact, if pelican want to eat, they can put 3 to 4 fish. You know, other than pelican and goose, we also in Putrajaya wetland also have flamingo. Do you want to know? Flamingo eat algae, right? During their digestion of the algae will turn their fur into pink color. That's why flamingo color is pink. Interesting, isn't it?
Want to know some fun fact? Actually, you see those pink spotted pelican? Actually, the one who have pink spot on their back are actually around 30 years old. So think about it.
Hi guys, so other than animal, we also have plenty of plants in here. So let me show you one of examples of plants in here.
There are multiple types of plant species that we found here. First of all is a Sea mango, also known as a Siberoodolum, is a coastal tree known for its glossy green leaves and fragrant flowers. Its fruit, often mistaken for a mango, is inedible, but the seeds have a traditional medicines use. This tree plays a vital role in stabilizing coastal areas against erosions. The second plant, the elephant apple, is a remarkable tree that produces a large, round fruits commonly used in the local cuisine. With its broad leaf providing shade, it serves as a habitat for various wildlife, making it an important part of the wetland ecosystem. Another plant, the shrub bee simple, also known as Dillenia subfructicosa. The shrub bee simple is a shrub that can grow up to 2 meters tall, known for its thick leaf and beautiful yellow flowers. It is crucial for maintaining soil erosion and offers shelter for birds and insects, enhancing the biodiversity of the wetland.
Next, I'm going to explain the different kinds of ecosystems that can be found in wetlands. First off, we have marshes. Marshes are ecosystems which are mainly composed of herbaceous plants like grasses or reeds. Saltwater marshes and freshwater marshes are the two main types of marshes. Saltwater marshes are found along coastlines, while freshwater marshes are found in inland areas. Marshes as a whole act as a vital habitat for a variety of wildlife such as birds, frogs, and insects. Next, we have swamps. Swamps and marshes are almost similar, but what sets them apart is that swamps are mainly characterized by woody plants and trees. Like marshes, swamps also have two types, which are forested swamps, which are filled with large woody trees, such as mangroves and shrubs, such as mangroves. Meanwhile, shrub swamps are essentially swamps with small woody trees and shrubs. Just like marshes, swamps are a vital habitat for birds, frogs, and insects, as they provide shelter and a source of food for those animals. Lastly, we have ephemeral wetlands. These wetlands only exist temporarily during a part of the year, specifically after heavy rainfall. These ecosystems are particularly vital for migratory birds during their migration season. Ephemeral wetlands also serve as a unique community of seasonal plants that thrive in wet conditions, such as cattails and marsh marigold. With this, we can see that wetlands have more than the eye can see, and that they are not just one single ecosystem, but many ecosystems coexisting as one.
In situ conservation is all about protecting species where they naturally occur, allowing ecosystems to function as they were meant to. Wetland Putrajaya is a perfect example. Here, hundreds of species, from birds and fish to amphibians and plants, living in a carefully managed natural habitat. These species are not moved to artificial environments, they thrive right here where they belong.
As a biodiversity haven, Wetland Putrajaya is a living, breathing ecosystem that supports a wide variety of life. In situ conservation here ensures that the plants, animals, and microorganisms continue to interact naturally, maintaining the delicate balance needed for these species to survive. Migratory birds, for example, use this wetland as a stopover point on their journeys, relying on their untouched habitat for food and shelter.
Beyond supporting wildlife, the wetlands perform another critical function in situ. Water filtration. Plants, soils, and microorganisms work together to filter pollutants from the water. This natural filtration system benefits not only the species living here, but also the people of Putrajaya by keeping local water sources clean. Protecting these processes is a key part of in situ conservation, ensuring that nature's own mechanisms remain intact and functional.
Wetland Putrajaya is more than just a scenic spot. It is a powerful example of how in situ conservation helps preserve ecosystems in their natural state. By maintaining these wetlands, we ensure that biodiversity thrives, ecosystem function, and urban areas remain resilient. Together, we can protect and cherish natural places like this for generations to come.